Hey kitties, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Marilyn and I'm bringing you all things beauty, fashion, lifestyle, even some fragrance. So if you like that kind of stuff, go ahead and subscribe. Okay kitties, so today we're getting into some beauty. We're in the lip lane. I'm going to be showing you guys my most worn combo. Some of them you may have seen on other videos, but I'm going to have them in this video all together, and these are my most worn combos. So if you see me, you've seen one of these combos. All right, so right now I have nothing on my lips, of course. And the first combo I'm going to start with is a gloss and a lip liner. These are not overly complicated combos, but it's just a gloss and a liner. There's only two liners that I use in this collective here. So we're going to start with the MAC lip gloss in Casual. This is probably, ooh, it's halfway gone. Holding it up to the light, I can kind of see I'm halfway down on this one. But this is a Your Lip But Better sort of color, and I think it is so great for every day. I'm going to go ahead and pair it with the Maybelline Lifter Liner, and this is in the shade Cross the Line, the perfect brown for dark or deep dark skin tone. Love this, and it's long lasting. All right, so let's get right into it. Love this combo. So that is the liner. The liner is so smooth, as you can see. Okay, it uses it has a little screw up tip to sharpen it. I tried to actually sharpen this in a sharpener because I'm a fool, but all you have to do is screw it up. So don't be like me. And now I'm going to use Casual by MAC. This is their Lip Glass Air collection, and the color is perfect. Perfect. All I need is a lip liner. That's it. So this is what it looks like in the tube. And literally that is it. It's a beautiful, everyday, classy, I would say this is a more like a reddish brown shade. It's so great as a nude if you have a skin tone like mine, or I mean even lighter or darker, but it's just such a nice Your Lip But Better elevated lip combo, and I love it. And the formula is really nice in the Lip Glass Air. It's very thin. It's almost on the side of being balmy. I just love it. So this is the first combo. You guys see this so often on my channel. You see me with this combo multiple times in a month. So this is it. A lot of my combos look kind of similar to each other. So yeah, we love a warm nude on this side. All right, so let's go ahead and take this off, even though I don't want to. Okay, so the next combo I love. This is all drugstore. It is the Revlon Super Lustrous Balm in Spice Wine. Is that what it's called? Spice Wine. And I'm going to use the Morphe liner in the shade Trendsetter. And then there's another part of the combo, and that is the e.l.f. lip oil in Honey Talks. Chef's kiss. Chef's kiss. You'll see. And I hope y'all taking notes, because these are some good combos. Super smooth liner, and that's literally about $7. Now Spice Wine, very similar tone to the lip gloss I just showed you that was from MAC, so you can kind of see that I love a warm nude. Okay. So this is a balmy sort of texture. Very similar to the Casual shade, but this has a little bit more red in it. And now we're going to top it off with Honey Talks. These lip oils make your lips look so like juicy. All right, so this is what the shade of the lip oil looks like. I'm going to go right on top. So this is Trendsetter with Spice Wine by Revlon, which is a balm. It just has a little bit of a tint to it, and then I topped it with this uber glossy lip oil by e.l.f. in Honey Talks. These are all affordable products, but it's $1 million lip combo though. Yeah. It just feels so classy, so like sophisticated, you know. All right, so that's the second combo, and I hope you're taking notes. This is an affordable version of the first one because that lip glass by MAC is like $25. A lot, but I wanted to try it. But this is an affordable version. Yeah, more shiny too. The e.l.f. lip oils are a lot more shinier than this $25 lip gloss. Just saying. Okay, but before I wipe it off, do you see how smooth that is? Do you see how smooth that is? But we'll take her off, you know what I'm saying? We'll take her off because I have more to show you. All right, so this is my next combo. I absolutely love this. This is more like, it's a nude, but it's like a going out nude for me. Like I have to be like fully done. Hair done, face done, like done. Love this. This is the same lip liner by Maybelline, but we're going to use MAC's Stone, which is a gray brown. That definitely needs a combo. I have to do a combo with that one. And we're going to also use the Fresh Kiss ColourPop Chocolate Milkshake. And if you love nudes, then you should be right at home right now. So we have the lip liner on. Now let's go in for Stone. So this is what it looks like without any lip gloss over it. So like a gray nude. I think this is a nice fall sort of shade, but for me I need a gloss on this because yeah. So now we're going to put Chocolate Milkshake right on top. It smells so good. It literally smells like chocolate milkshake or ice cream. It smells so good. So this is combo 3. So it's a gray, brown, a cool tone nude. Yeah, but I feel like I need to be like really, like my face has to be beat, my hair has to be super black, even blue black, long, lustrous, you know. But yeah, this combo smells so good. The chocolate milkshake is pretty strong and I don't mind it. I don't mind it. Okay. All right, so to sum that one up, it was the Maybelline liner. It was topped with the ColourPop lip balm, and the lipstick was Stone by MAC. Too good, too good. I feel feel like this lip combo will look good with a brown smoky eye or a smoked out lash line, like completely nude on the top, but the lash line is really smoky and the lashes are popping on the bottom. Like, I need to do a look. Do I need to do a look? Because I can do a look. You just have to request it. This literally smells like chocolate, like realistic chocolate. All right, so next combo, Trendsetter. Some of the lip liner is still on my lips, but these are like the same color. They're just different brands, but I'm using Trendsetter. Okay, and now I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Vinyl Ink shade, and it's in the shade Punchy. So when this dries down, it keeps a nice sheen to it and it actually stays in place, almost like how a matte lipstick would be, but it's just not matte. But I am going to put something on top of it, but this is what it looks like just with the liner and the Vinyl Ink shade. Now what I'm going to put on it is a lip oil by e.l.f. This is in shade is it Berry Jam or Jammy Berry, something like that. Oh, Jam Session. So I'm going to put this on. This is a great fall time lip oil. So I'm gonna just put this right on top of that. These e.l.f. lip oils, it's like, I don't know, I feel like you don't really need any other lip oil except for this one. Like, it's so good. All right, so that is, oh, I don't know what number this is, girl, but that combo was the Morphe lip liner in Trendsetter with the Maybelline Vinyl Ink shade in Punchy, and I topped it with Jam Session lip oil by e.l.f. period. Y'all have to comment which one is your favorite. I love this one. It's like a little bit, it's a nude, but it's a little bit deeper. I think it kind of falls in line with fall. So if you like nudes but you don't like you like nudes and you want a nude that's good in the fall, that's a little bit deeper, put the Jam Session lip oil over your combos and it'll take it there. It'll make it a little teeny tiny deeper, more shiny. Your lips are gonna look more plump and luscious. And I think these oils are like $7. Totally worth it. I have 4 of them. Totally worth it. The one I use the most is Honey Talks. I don't know if you can see that, but I use this one a lot. So let's go ahead and wipe them off, and we're gonna go into like a mauve territory now. Okay, so it's like 2 more combos. Child, I don't even know which one I like the most. But these are like my go-to. I do these combos all the time, so they're all my favorites, because literally if you look at all my videos, my lips look like either one of these combos at any given day. Now we're gonna do a mauve one. We're gonna use the Maybelline liner, which you already know what that look like. And then I have another Lush. I always mention, I feel like I mention this to you guys a lot, but I haven't been buying a lot of new things and I really like what I have. Like, I really truly love the products that I have. This is the Glaze Mauve shade in the Revlon Lustrous Bombs. I don't put anything on top of this. I just lip liner and this. And that's it. Super pretty and very easy. I think these products are great on the go. But that was Glaze Mauve with the Maybelline Lifter Liner, and that's it. I'm not gonna put any gloss or anything on top of this one because I really truly love what this combo looks like all on its own. I think it's a really pretty everyday shade, and it feels like a lip balm. It literally is what it is. It just has a nice sheen to it and a light wash of color, but enough color for you to actually see it and love it. I left a little bit of the lip liner on because We're gonna go in for another mauve look, but it's with just a lip gloss. And this is one of my favorite mauve lip glosses. It's called Kenyan Coffee. It's by Juvia's Place. And these glosses are very high quality. They're shiny and they're pigmented. So as you can see, yeah. So it's very similar to the previous combo, but this I think is more rich in color. And it's a little deeper. So I think it'd be really good for fall or the transition into fall. I love this. Yeah. All right, so the next one is not really a combo. It's just a brown gloss. Sometimes I use this to top off brown lip liner. I'm going to show you here in the video. I'm going to put on the lip liner, right? And you can do this with any lip gloss, but on the outer rim, when you apply the brown gloss on top of the brown liner, it just really brings it to life. So I'll show you. So I'm just gonna grab any color really to put on the center. This is Honey Talks. So just to have a little gloss on the center. But now I'm gonna show you Kenyan. This is called, not Kenyan Coffee, this is called Chocolate Drip. The only brown gloss you really need if you really want a true brown gloss. So look at this. How pretty is this? Super pretty. Okay, so it just really, it heightens the intensity of the lip liner and makes it glossy and luscious and a little bit more sexy, and I am here for that. Let me show you what it looks like totally filled in with the brown. This is giving fall. All right, guys, so those were my top most worn lip combos. Hopefully you enjoyed that. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Drop some of your lip combos down in the comments as well. If you want to make any requests, you can always leave them down in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and come back and watch another video. Bye, y'all.